Hello friends, we're back at the Camp Nou, and even with a match coming up, construction is moving fast. New escalators have been installed in the Tribuna, improving access for fans. New ceramic slats have been added in several areas, gradually transforming the stadium's exterior. Ceramic slats are climbing the lateral area, slowly wrapping the stadium's exterior and transforming the look. Let's check out all the action and updates from around the stadium. Yesterday brought a very pleasant surprise. Two brand new escalators arrived at the site. One of them is already installed, perfectly matching the escalator placed here about 2 weeks ago. Another escalator was delivered to the upper area and is very likely already installed as well. This is excellent progress for the Tribuna access areas. Even with a football match tomorrow, work is clearly ongoing. While it's not as busy as a normal day, we can still see lifting platforms, workers on site, and visible movement throughout the Tribuna. Construction hasn't stopped. Looking at the diamond structure, all the supports on this side wall are already installed. There are still a few gaps to be closed, and the entire block wall will need to be painted black. This step is essential so the wall doesn't remain visible once the slats are installed. On the right-hand side, there is a large amount of material stored. In the upper area, the escalator isn't clearly visible from here. Down below, several large debris bags are ready to be removed. As we continue our walk toward the south goal, we can already spot another newly installed escalator inside the stadium. It's visible behind the trusses, beams, and scaffolding, confirming that interior circulation systems are steadily taking shape. In the south goal area, work over recent days has focused on hollow core slabs and beams. Preparations are now paying off as the first support pieces for the slats have started to be installed on the beams. These elements will later connect to the vertical structures that support the slatted ceiling system. Installing these pieces is highly complex due to tight spaces and small access points. Several diagonal and interior-facing elements are now in place, showing clear progress. We've now reached the most exciting zone, the lateral area. Ceramic slats are actively being installed, slowly climbing upward toward the first overhang. Multiple lifting platforms, cranes, and workers are operating at the same time, creating one of the busiest scenes on site today. This isn't full speed yet, but progress is consistent. As always, this type of work starts slowly, and once the teams settle into a rhythm, installation speeds up. A large number of ceramic slats are already staged on site, ready to be installed. These will continue wrapping the Camp Nou exterior, transforming the stadium's final appearance piece by piece. Near the Diego Armando Maradona north corner, concrete that was poured only weeks ago has been broken up, with debris bags filling the area. The exact reason isn't clear yet, but it's a surprising and notable development. The park ramp is now fully visible and in excellent condition. Reinforcement is in place, form work is progressing, and concrete work is expected very soon. This area is clearly approaching its next major milestone. At the north goal, all slat supports are already installed, with diagonal trusses connected on several pillars. Some final connections are still pending, and block walls will need black paint, but this zone is visibly very advanced. 4 new prefabricated staircases have arrived, and workers are actively installing structural elements around them. Electrical panels are being moved, and access doors are receiving ticket scanning systems, showing progress beyond pure structure and into operational systems. Before finishing, an important detail. Earlier today, a Barca representative mentioned that the north goal is expected to be open by January with around 60,000 spectators. Given how advanced the works are, this announcement makes perfect sense and confirms the strong pace of construction. If you enjoyed this progress report, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a single update on the stadium's transformation. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next Camp Nou update.